Hey, so if Zen Browser won't install, shows setup errors, or keeps failing during installation, yeah, that problem is usually related to permissions, antivirus software, or corrupted setup files. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser installation errors step by step. All right, first, restart your computer because temporary system glitches can interrupt software installations. Sometimes the setup file becomes corrupted during download, so download a fresh installer from the official website. Now click the installer and run it with administrator permissions. Make sure your computer has enough free storage space for the installation process. Some antivirus or firewall tools may block browser installations by mistake. If Zen Browser was installed before, leftover files may conflict with the new installation. Outdated system files can sometimes prevent modern browsers from installing correctly. Close unnecessary apps running in the background because some programs may interfere with installation. Now reopen the installer and check if Zen Browser installs successfully. And yeah, that's it. One of these fixes will usually solve Zen Browser installation errors and get the browser installed properly.